Ake ubingelele babo dokotela babo wesizwe bawujabule mfana umhlethe kahle umzolo mancingisane ngesonto futhi angixolise. This is babo dokotela. This is babo wesizwe mfana umuhle nje kahle lomzulu. Nginendawo la engisebenzela kuyona njengenyanga not njengeblogger. Awayikho inyanga eku-YouTube. Njengenyanga ngisebuilding kuthiwa iNedbank House Building. Ngise-19th floor. Lapho ke ngilapha abantu igama lomgaqo is number 72 Dennis Halley Street or number 30 Field Street, no, Queen Albert Street, number 30 Albert Street, or in a corner of Albert and Queen Street. Kulula ukuthi usithole la sekhona. Baba Dodela njalo makwama Sundays I do not work on a public holidays. I do not work either. Baba Dodela namhlanje ke ngifuna ukukuveza lokho. Ngine topic ethi isithwalo esakhiwa ngamaswidi. Isithwalo samaswidi. La ke bakithi ngifuna ukukuveza lokuthi this channel you have to bear with me, tolerate me. I will deliver the information that you can hardly attain from any other channel that you watch. Regardless of the channel yenyanga, no. The information that we are delivering here, it must be new kuwena. Thereafter you can entail us. Susilandeleke lapho uzwazi ulandela abantu abangama-think tankers. As long as sazi ukuthi la kukhona into ekhona, we have to empty it kuwena. Baba udokotela ke ufuna ukunika lento ethi kunesithwalo esikhona esisetshenziswayo. Lesithwalo lesi simbi, but it makes people very rich. What I mean rich, I mean very rich. Lesithwalo lesi sinekezelwa abantu besilisa kuphela. Even a woman has a billion, you can't afford to give it to her. Because kunesitho somzimba umuntu wesifazana angenaso. Ekufuneka lesithwalo uma sisakha, sisithathe sisibeke khona. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Mase sisibekile lesithwalo kulomuntu wesilisa, mase sithi akaphuza ubisi. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini kwena? Lo muntu lona simthwalisile. Lo muntu lona semnike incebo engeke iphinde iphele. Uma esibuka isithwalo sakhe ngathi siyehla, aphuza ubisi, mesenza lento esizomtshela yona. Lesithwalo lesi asizuphela as long ubisi lingasekho emhlabeni lingasatholakala. Uma kusekhona ubisi, lento umuntu uzoqhubeka aphile. Kodwa bakithi engizofuna nikwazi ukuthi uma ngithe into isithwalo isuke iyisithwalo vese. But uma ngisengithe lena ke asikuzokunika yona ayisona isithwalo, kusuke futhi kungesona isithwalo indeed. Ngoba niyazifuna izinto but niyakhohliswa. Kuthiwa kusona isithwalo kanti isithwalo ngoba bakubona ukuthi ukhala njenge-ambulance. Thereafter sekufuze ukuthi unikezwe noma yini ngoba manje ukukhala kwakho akekho kuzokulalela. Musu ugcina unikwe izinto ngezona. Kodwa leke engishoyo inikezwa abantu besilisa abaneminyaka engaphansi kwa-50. 23 years to 50 years uyakwazi ukumnika lo muntu lesithwalo. Uyakwazi ukuthi umnike lesithwalo. Isithwalo lesi sihleke lesi esenza umuntu abe rich kakhulu. Kodwa ke asinikwa noma ubani. Ngoba uma sizoba zinyanga ezingenayo imizwa ukuthi how will you feel unikezwe isithwalo ungazi ukuthi isithwalo lesi, you'll feel very bad. I cannot tolerate that any longer. I must tell you the truth. Lento enginika yona isithwalo. Bakithi this is baba udokotela baba wesizwe bawujabulile. Ake siphume nezithwaleni. Ake sikhulume lento le. Kunabantu abazibona bewoglama because they reside bahlala emalokishini. Kunabantu abayibona bewobhibi ngoba bahlala emalokishini. Kunabantu ababona abantu abahlala emakhaya engathi bangama-1-1. Abantu abahlala ngifuna ukuthi sensama bomle gabethi emakhaya ngiyaya kulona. Kunabantu abahlala emafama ngazi bama-1-1. Kunabantu abahlala ezabelweni zamakhosi angazi ukuthi nje bahoteleweni yabo. Yabamba ngokweloyishi. Sinalento ethi abantu abahlala esabelweni emafama obhayizana yabo. Kanti namhlanje ngiphethe isipeleti esihlukile. yabo uphethe iqiniso elihlukile. Nanti iqiniso lithi, firstly, we need to tell people the truth. Why in South Africa only? I repeat, why in South Africa only? We got something called townships. Who came with the mindset and mentality of the townships? Who was planning the townships? And why the current government or regime is still building houses based on townships? What was the reason? First, the previous government built townships for only black people. There were no townships for any other races beside us. You understand? Now, why we've got something called villages or rural villages, rural areas? Ngoba lento asithi emakhaya ayikho, asinayo izulu lento ekuthiwa emakhaya. Ayikho izulu lento le. Wathatha izulu soqoba ayikho lento akasifuna ekuthiwa emakhaya. Igama elithi emakhaya, mina when I live in a flat bethi ikhaya lami lelo. When I live eMjondolo ikhaya lami lelo. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini kwena? Uma izingane seziphuma esikoleni kuthiwa emakhaya nizoya ngo11 tshela nabazali ukuthi asinawo amanzi. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Emakhaya izingane azidedelwe eli ukuthi zibuyele emakhaya. Akushiya ukuthi aziye emadladleni kuma rural areas. Kushiwo where the child dwells, where the child lives. Ikhaya, it is where you feel comfortable and at home. That is ikhaya lapho. Manje la maqiniso eniwaphethe nini ukuthi hayi phela mina ngumuntu wasemakhaya njengobani ongena wasemakhaya. As long mina le ngihleli khona kuyikhaya, isemakhaya lapho. Ngoba meniphuma nje emsebenzini nithi niyafika emsebenzini kuthiwa umshini ufile buyelana emakhaya. Awusho ukuthi hayi mina ngizobuyela emakhaya ngoba ngihlala ehostel. Uyangizwa ukuthi ehostel kusekhaya lakho, it's where you stay. Mase kuthi le ndawo engenazo ama title deed ezonwa ingonyama trust akuyona indawo yenu, indawo kaNdabezitha. Nina niyizakhamuzi khona. Listen to me carefully. Kuthiwa niyizakhamuzi, you are not owning land. Nakhe imizi endaweni kaNdabezitha. Nikhonze enkosini and then anazi ipeleti ezisho ukuthi usurvey isquare meter esingakanani. Utshelwe ngomlomo uthiwa lapha abopha isidindi, lapha abopha isidindi, lapha awuna amaqiniso ama-pecs khona. Le nto akayivele emephini. Awukwazi umudayisa umuzi umusudayise nesite because you don't own that land. It belongs to the king. Umhlaba kaNdabezitha. You own nothing. In the rural areas, you own nothing. You can't sell your garden to kwenkampani ukuthi ayizokwakha ifeme engadini yakho because ingadi akuyona yakho, amasimu lawa akuwona wakho. Yonke into isabelo senkosi. Ngenzela ukuthi sazi ukuthi ke lento esibiza ukuthi thina semakhaya akulona ulimi lethu thina maZulu. Ulimi lezepolitiki elifike neANC. Ngoba ifuna ukucicane kubantu ibambe ezinye iziyalo zibe ngakubona. Iyayithatha zangakubona kwafaka omasipala. Bebalanda ngelokishi elithi sifuna ukufaka omasipala emakhaya kuzoba nentuthuko. Uyabamba lokishi. Sifuna ukufaka omasipala emakhaya khona zokuthi ibingaba khona intuthuko regardless kungashiyongo ukuthi semakhaya. Kuthiwa sifuna ukusifaka omasipala esabelweni, imisi yagqilaza-ke ithi inkosi esabelweni sigaba. Esabelweni sigabani. Manje ithe ANC milanda i2-1 yayo. Yathi semakhaya abababamba-ke obaba laba basemakhaya bama kanje ngeqiniso ukuthi okay kuzofakwa intuthu kanti vese bayantshontshelwa. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini kwena? Bantshontshelwa umhlaba wabewuphethe wagcina usuphethe omasipala. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini kwena? Engisho ukuthi lento ke enesibizo ukuthi yasemakhaya i-wrong and akuyona into engafuza ukuthi sifundisa even abantu bokufika la noma ingane zethu zikhula ngokuthi zona ihlala emakhaya umezilana emadolobheni azekho emakhaya. Leyo nto ayisiniki ubuntu. We have to tell people the truth. We have to tell ukuthi lela gama lifike nepolitiki iANC izofaka ucicane. Manje induna amakhosi abanjwe intambo zolwembe ngoba afake umuntu angamdingi omasipala. Umasipala ubungafuna afike ngalawa maqiniso, befuze afike kahle azi kodwa uze ezabelweni zamakhosi ukuzofaka intuthu hayi emakhaya ngoba yonke indawo ehlala abantu iyamakhaya. As long nje uhlala khona kusemakhaya lapho. Angibuyeleke lena ke semalokishini. Le semalokishini indlela eyakheke ngayo. It was an open labor camp. It was an open concentration labor camps. Kwakuyindawo eyayakhelwe abantu ababezogqilazwa emadolobheni noma emaplazini and noma ezimayini. Njoba nje imayini uthola ukuthi bakhela abantu ilokishi kuthiwa labantu abahlala basenza lapha emayini. It's an open camp yabo labantu okudliwa amandla abo. That is why kuthe lento ke iyakhiwe lapha iyokusondeza labo ukuthi they have to be enslaved living in our properties. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini kwena? Awusekho isidingo ukuthi wena nanamanje ungabe usadevelopa indawo yaselokishini rather than ukudevelopa indawo ohlala kuyona esabelweni senkosi. We are overspending ku-concentration camp. You are enslaving your psychology ku-concentration camp. You rather live there, uyohlala endaweni kaNdabezitha, udevelop yona, ufake yona itiyela, ufake yona ugesi, ufake yona ama-towers, Wi-Fi, ne-internet, nama-network okufona ngokuhlukana kwami. Kodwa nina ni-concentrate kuma-former labor camps. Le ndawo esihlala kuzona, nami kuyilokishi ngihlala elokishini, yabo njengoba ngumxhaka, ngihlala elokishini. Le lokishi ehlala kulona lihamba amasimba ngaphansi. Le lokishi ehlala kulona lihamba amasimba ngaphansi. Uhlala kanjalo endaweni ehamba amasimba inezitamkoko yonke indawo yaselokishini because it was not made for you to reside there forever. But sithola abantu bemadeva abovu namhlanje amayashintsha amhlophe bahleli khona emalokishini. Zikhona indawo esabelweni samakhosi. Zikhona indawo ezabelweni zamakhosi. Umuntu angabe uhleli uvuka endaweni azi ukuthi inansi bathroom yami khona, nansi septic tank yami khona. Awukwazi ukuthi ungaba nomuzi egcekeni kuhamba amasimba ngaphansi and you still call that it's your place of residence. Unveil yourself. Uyazipusha uzifaka entweni ongayidingi. Uyazipusha uzifaka, have a plot in rural areas where you can able to do things the way you want it. You can have a small garden. Ungenza noma yini. You can have 3 swimming pools if you want to. Not a lokshin. Lokshin is maximum of 1 quarter swimming pool. Quarter, not full swimming pool. Quarter swimming pool. A lokshin. The mayadi endaweni kaNdabezitha ulithule la ngakhe khona, I can make 3 up to 4 swimming pools. Because ngisesabelweni sikaNdabezitha ngikho emakhaya, ngisesabelweni sikaNdabezitha. Wherever I reside kusemakhaya mina. La ngihleli khona isekhaya. Yangizwa ukuthi ngisho ukuthi siyaliphazamisa ulimi ongathi singamaXhosa. AmaXhosa they already raped their language. AmaXhosa cannot pronounce even 1 sentence without adding English. We as AmaZulu, we have to come to the nerve ukuthi now we are no longer tolerating abantu abasuppressa ulimi lethu ngamabo. Asiyidingi lwadodela kuthiwa lapha kusemakhaya. And uthi warisama ukuthi noNdabezitha ongathi lutho because ukwi-payroll ye-ANC. Ezinye izinto ufuna sizibone ukuthi where are we demising, where are we ending, where are we dying? Because we must have leaders that will protect the language and cultures of abantu abakhuluma isiZulu nabangamaZulu. Singavumeli ipolitiki isifundisa ulimi esingalazi. Today sikhuluma ulimi ongalazi and okandaba because okwi-payroll akakwazi ukuphikisa neyalo namaqiniso onke ashiwo lo muntu ukuthi hayi uyakuphikisa lo ngoba kuyazi ukuthi okandaba iqiniso asinayo indawo kuthiwa emakhaya, sinesabelo samakhosi. Abantu abahlala elokishini amakhaya abo, labahlala efleshini emaflethi njengoba ngisho la ohlala khona kusekhaya. You even have a title deed to approve. You got a proof of address that tells that ukuthi ikhaya lakho ilelo. This is Babu Dr. Babu says about Jabulon Father Jacket of Zolamangas against Solfita Close. Le channel eyenu. But we are not going to be weak because if we know what is follow, rather don't follow us, notice be weak. Bakithi, this is Babu Dokotela Babu Sesibawujaba mfana pleasure khehle umzulu amancisi angeso sinento esifikile yafika i-HIV sayidinaya sathi ayikho into ekuthiwa i-HIV. Then it killed a lot of people in Africa, especially in South Africa. But we were denying it till we started to have graves through abantu ababulawe AIDS. Yangibamba ngakwelokishi. Now we've got what is called AI, artificial intelligence. It is unseen. There is no proof it is there. I am telling you now. Each and every ATM today, it features AI. Even your app on your phone, it features AI. Your phone itself, it has an AI. I will understand. Slowly and slowly, your AI, anything that you are using that is electronic, they are applying features of AI. Your movies that you are watching on TV, on wherever now, it's AI compliant now. AI is taking toll slowly, but AI, just now it will go rogue. Because we as human race being, we are feeding too much on AI. AI has surpassed robots. Robot came and died quickly because of AI. AI is illusion. It is unseen. Robot is physical. You can break it, you can touch it, you can ignore the robot and bypass it. But you cannot bypass AI. We are inventing robots, we are inventing drones with advanced cutting-edge AI, military grade. I repeat, advanced cutting-edge military grade robots, drones. We're fitting this thing even in our pilots. Alikho ibhanoyi njengamanje elingenawo autopilot. If it has an autopilot, it has an AI. If it has an autopilot, it has an AI. Just now, same drones that we have got, they'll drop bombs in the wrong places. Same fighter jets that we are owning now with advanced cutting-edge AI. And I have to tell you the truth. According to 100, AI is sitting at 30%. When it reaches 45%, there are people that won't be allowed to leave the doors because AI literally detect that you got no money. They don't need you. You'll be barred from entering anywhere because you don't have money. You'll be loitering, you're wondering, you don't need people like you because AI has literally detected you. China has advanced AI in a sense that South Korea has advanced in a sense that if you enter in some building, they can even tell your address by your facial recognition. Facial recognition is part of AI. It is part of AI. Now, South Africa is making another mistake, saying that our police now will put cameras. Cameras is a second police that is policing the police. I repeat, it is a second police officer that is policing the police. Meaning that if our police are also carrying AI to the level that they're able to use it in a crime scene as well, there'll be no need for an attorney. Just now, there'll be no need for a teacher. Home Affairs have to shut down because everything will be done through the app. Home Affairs app. There'll be no need for you to go there for a visa. Currently, the visa now, it is always on electronic. You're no longer going at a Home Affairs, your visa. Now you do it with a cell phone. Your cell phone is enough. Uvula bank account la, wenza yonke into la, ikhadi lakho liba fonini virtual. Just now, AI is taking over in the realm that even our borders will be monitored by visual borders through AI. And then why we as human beings allowing something that will cause our children not to go to school anymore because AI will tell them everything that they need to know, but without qualification and experience. Ake siyibuke into engazile kahle. Le nto ayizile kahle, it has to be vetted properly. Angeke sithi ayingabi khona, but asekuvuma ukuthi kunabantu abangenawo Facebook and they're doing good. China don't have Facebook. Russia don't have Facebook. North Korea don't have Facebook. And then don't tell us if we don't have AI, other people will oppose us. The problem is we have proven that we cannot be present in each and every meeting where we are invited. Do we need this? If we need it, we need it at what stage? As I'm telling you now, AI is sitting at 30%. When it reaches 70%, believe you me, a lot of people will be stranded at home doing nothing. Because currently now, there are a lot of courses that you can just do it online, not going to school, write exams online, simple as that. Even prisoners, just now we won't need prison orders because people will be featured with AI in their bodies and then will be stationary at home with visual mapping, how far they can go because they will have AI in their body. There are things we are not advancing properly and then we are making mistakes, we are getting careless now. Because currently now our students are learning what is called coding and roboting. Coding and roboting. That alone, it will leave our student different in terms of maturity about schooling. Because once you advance there, and then most of the things will be fictional. This is what this is what I'm following to you now, especially you watching this. If you grossly undermine AI, I'm giving you 5 years to be unemployed. Just 5 years you'll be unemployed because your companies are started to buy machines with advanced cutting-edge printing AI. Printing companies are no longer needing people. As long as they've got advanced technology, printing AIs, they print each and every document in newspapers. They don't need you people. People who are in the motor industry in China, by far, they're no longer working because of AI roboting and coding. It is coming here. It will be worse if it happened in Africa where there's a cheap labor available. The same cheap labor, they lose job in a cheap way. Because of AI, it will never run out of stock. Fraud and corruption, it will be high because now, because of AI, if you can attain biometrics of that person who can reach out to his bank account and claim every transaction that is there. This is my point. This is what I'm following. Again, Pumela, isithwalo samaswidi. I am Ubaba Dokotela insisting that you now need something that can push you up to another 5 months. Why do I say that? Because we have finished this 5 months of which is May. And then ekubaleni kwakho wena ubala izinyanga zonyaka, I need to teach you again. Stop counting January as if it's a month. Stop counting December as if it's a month. December is 15 days, January is 15 days as well. Both those months are exhausted. You can't do anything on January. You can't plan anything for December because December uvala early. January uvula late. And lezo nyanga hlephise. Meaning that we got 10 months onyakeni. Already seku 5 months. Nika lesithwalo ngamabomu samaswidi because usalelo 5 months ingqondo yakho isasebenza kahle. Otherwise your children will be on drugs. Otherwise by February umkakho will apply for a divorce because when we are not doing anything here. I understand. Kunabantu abanoshukela abangazi kanjani una 2 months ediagnosed ukuthi unoshukela but immediately usayakwazi ukuthi ajove because ayikho into eyenzekayo kuyena. Wenza mistake mhlazane resign wathatha 2.4 million wo invest company ne wrong le company nama disciplines ongakazi wabona ngengisho igama layo. Namhlanje kade hola 5,000 bamtshela bathi because of a recession ngeke basakwazi ukunika 5,000 sebezomnika 3,800. Ngalo sikhathi lokhokhela amanzi nogesi akusenzeki. Le mali namaqiniso ukuthi uyithola emva kwa 10 years. Usalelo ku4 years 8 months ukuthi akakwazi ukuthi call equity. Ngoba ithi call equity bazothatha imali kango 25% kule mali yana. Akekho willing ukwenza njalo. Lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye namanje uzokhishwa emzini wakhe awukhokhela ibond but ngoba uyekala ukuthi ngoba unemali uzothi mahola lapha kuzowena kwazi akusenze usezoxoshwa emzini wakhe over sefridge kade lacisha. Imoto kuseyi public transport. Esontweni bamthembe ngendlela eyisimanga ngoba kuthiwa kwakuyimanje. Abazi ukuthi kwakuyimanje ebroke like nobody's business. Kuthiwa hayi kwakumeya abazi ukuthi umuntu akanamali. Swimming pool yakhe ingcolile. igate yakhe belinemoto ayisasebenzi sekuphushwa ngesandla akakwazi ukufixa into ayithenga ngo-6,000 akakwazi ukuyilungisa manje ifuna u-850 ukuyilungisa yamoto ayakwazi ukuyilungisa yabona sinabantu abaphila empilweni engaseyona impilo ngikunika isithwalo engithi mina oza kumina ungiphathele amaswidi ekuthiwa amajoya amaphakethe abe u-10 ulungise imali iyasisithwalo lesi 37,000 rand ngikukhandele lento le nginamathisele emzimbeni wena mase ngigcabe la enhlizweni ngifuna inhliziyo ayilali 24 hours inhliziyo iyaphapha ngizoyicaba lento laphezu kwenhliziyo ngoba ngiyayazi inhliziyo ngayithemba inhliziyo does not deceive a person iphapha one way mina is alive ngiyakuthwalisa ke lapho akunakufihleli ngiyakuthwalisa usungasithatha isithwalo you are 33 years at work now you are 8 years in poverty usebenze 33 years njengamanje una 8 years uhlupheka wa-invest imali yakho nenkampani ezwrong ezinkulu ziyaziwa ze-national but okusalayo azinayo ifeni umuntu ohluphekayo usuyilability kolo lokufika njalo this is bakudokotela bakusiza bawujalo mfana ngiyakunika-ke lesithwalo lesi esamaswidi kuphela sidla amaswidi lesithwalo lesi ngisakhela ithempeli lapha kumina sinethempeli elinamaswidi lapha futhi ukuthi isona engathi bengisithatha amaqiniso aso kwathiwa sisemaswidini this is bakudokotela bakusiza bawujabule siyabonga